everyone. I am so tired right now. It's currently 8:37 in the morning. And if you know me, I normally wake up later because I work second shift now. And I don't get up till after like 9:30, 10. Just because I go to sleep later than normal. But today I have a hair appointment. These roots, I don't know if you guys can tell, need to be done ASAP. I was going to do it by myself, but I didn't really have anyone to help me with the back. Because since I have a lot of hair, I feel like it's going to be hard for me to do it by myself. But maybe one day I need to find like good products and stuff like that. It's so gross outside today. But it got so light and the roots are bad. Like, I'll try showing you before I go in with it down on how much growth I have of it, but I'm sure you can tell. But I might go like a little different this time. I try doing like a Kardashian dark brown type of look, because in the summertime my hair does fade out from the sun, so we'll try to get dark this time around and then let the summer do its thing. So my appointment's at 9. It's currently 8:39. I wanted to get coffee, but I don't think I have time because this Dunkin' is normally, super packed. But when I get there, I should be there soon. I can show you guys what my hair looks like down and then what it looks like afterwards. Don't mind my crazy hair. I slept with it up for like the first time ever. It's the growth I have. Definitely tell. It's so bad. So we're getting that freshened up. I don't think I'm gonna really film really much in there. I'll definitely show you guys the results when I come out. So this is the color we have going on right now. Look at it! It's so pretty. As you saw in my last clip, I was blow drying it myself because she didn't have time. Just perfectly fine. Saved money. But this is what it looks like. I love it. Has like a dark chocolate feel to it. And yeah. I don't know what colors she used. I don't know the 4N and all that stuff. But this is what it looks like. I said I was going for like, like a Kardashian, but not black. Like Kardashian hair. So. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of weird because sun's not out today, but this is what we got going on. And after a few washes, it will fade out, which is okay. Plus, the sun with the summer is just gonna fade. And look how long it's getting. I want it long like Miley Cyrus when she was in Hannah Montana. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. It turned out so well. Sorry, I just keep touching my hair. But yeah. That's what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are interested in knowing the color and stuff, let me know. Can I reach out and see if she can look into that, and I can leave it in the comments. But yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So be sure to subscribe, like this video. Any video recommendations, leave it below. I have a lot of videos in mind, but I just gotta get myself to do them. So yeah. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.